Hey everyone, today we are back in Old Town in Kissimmee, Florida, and we're here to check out Mini Queen and King Z Anime. This store stocks all things anime from figures to apparel and much, much more. Here are the hours of operation. Walking in, I noticed the store is pretty decently sized, so let's go take a look around. There's a big glass case full of figures from popular anime from Dragon Ball to Jujutsu Kaisen. They also had some K-pop items as well. The glass case contained a lot of figures from a lot of great anime. Let me know what your favorite anime is in the comments below. My favorite anime is Cowboy Bebop. It's pretty much the first anime I've ever watched, and currently it's Jujutsu Kaisen. They had some apparel, like you can see here, this one is from One Punch Man. And this one is from Naruto, which is an anime I've never seen. They also had some drawstring bags, socks. They also had some keychain plush. Then they had this massive wall of more keychain plush and regular keychains. In the back corner, I found some Gundams. I used to build a couple back in the day. This one-piece model kit was actually pretty cool. This Attack on Titan luggage tag caught my eye. They had a small selection of gachapon and plenty of treats. Check it out. I haven't seen Chainsaw Man, but I hope to watch it one day. Overall, it's a pretty cool shop. If you're hanging out in Old Town, definitely check it out. And that's a wrap on this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.